YouTube, welcome to my bathroom, a place of great pontification. Today we're going to replace a ceiling light with this great Cree recessed light. Supposed to be easy. Let's hope it is. Cree's assumption is that you already have a recessed downlight that you're just trying to replace. Start by turning it off. Let's get up here and take it apart. We're talking about 3 screws and... I don't think we need any of these screws. Make sure the bulb is no longer hot to the touch and remove it. Here's all the goods you get. Manual, throw it away. Light, this connector, this is what you're going to be screwing in. We're going to disconnect that to make our job a little bit easier. I'm going to start by screwing this in. We're going to be good boys and girls and do it by the book. It tells you to apply the sticker, apply it to the inside of the recess. Ow.
This luminaire has been modified to operate blah blah blah.
Depending on the diameter of your can, you can adjust these so-called flip clips. They rotate. In my case, the inner position is sufficient to fill out that can.
Reconnect to put it in. Gotta give it a bit of a clockwise tug. There.
Now, is this going to be the $7 upgrade that's going to raise the value of my house by $100,000? Let's find out. Oh yeah. House value just went up by $1 million. I'll be leaving links in the description below. This particular flavor is 75 watts, fits 5 to 6 inch cans, and is wet rated. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Plug into that like button and twist a light bulb into the subscribe button. And I'm gonna go shower now.